This is a video chart presentation of Mantra Venture Group. It's an OTCQB company trading under the ticker MVTG. You can see this chart was trickling upward back early on in the year and then finally took off. Hit a high of about 75 cents here in March. Hit it again in May. Came back and settled down. Kind of ran sideways, just basically in a channel outside of this little pop here early on in July. But what caught our eye about it is the breakout on Monday. Surged right through a resistance point to break out of that sideways channel. Stock closed up about 26% at 67 cents. We want to keep an eye on this going forward to see how it's going to react to some more resistance around 70 and to see if it's going to take this top out and make a new high. You can see not getting a whole lot from the MACD. That pretty much should be expected. Stock was basically going sideways like I said. MACD trending right there around the zero mark. But I think you can see a little bit of an upward trend. But with that rise on Monday, the MACD and signal line are moving a little bit further into positive territory, which simply says that the trend and momentum are strengthening. Slow stow goes right along with the same lines. Nice upward move, holding the upper half of the indicator, showing that the momentum is bullish at this point. In the same way with the money flow index. Holding above 50, lending to the idea that even though the candles were just kind of moving sideways, the momentum was actually building into play. You can also see that with the relative strength index. For the last month or so, holding above that center line, the 50 mark, showing that the bulls have control of momentum. Now pushing above 70, which is really viewed different ways by different people. Some people say that that's an overbought condition and start to look for a pullback. Momentum traders refer to it as the power zone, because you can see right through here that when the RSI broke above 70, it can trend above 70 for quite a long time, and you see the stock price rise that followed along with it. So a push into quote-unquote overbought conditions doesn't necessarily mean this move is done. It's only one day into it. What's more important to us is seeing how the stock acts at resistance points and seeing what it does on any pullbacks, which I'll go ahead and note a support level right there at 56 cents. That on any pullback, that's definitely what we want to see hold. Become a little bit more skeptical about the play if it came and sat back down on 50 cents, or certainly on this bottom support at 45 cents. With the spike in volume yesterday, that was about 490,000 shares trading hands. We're looking for continued upward pressure at this point, so this 56 cent mark will be the lowest level we'd really want to see it pull back to. It's worth noting there's a little bit more support that comes in here at 65 cents, which is the resistance point the stock pushed through yesterday. But if the momentum didn't continue through today, and the stock pulled back a little bit, closing just below that area wouldn't be that big of a deal. In a perfect world, another move and then a pullback, establish that new higher support. That would be an ideal move. We'll definitely note that as a new area of support, while keeping in mind, stock just barely closed above it on Monday. We view 70 cents as the first area of resistance this chart's going to face. You can see even though it touched 71 a couple different times and even hit a high of 75, stock never closed above this 70 cent mark, so expect that to be tough, with a move above 75 representing a new 52-week high. Right now though, chart certainly is looking nice. With the move to start the week on the increased volume, indicators are certainly positioned in bullish spots. This is a chart we'll keep an eye on going forward to see how it performs. But as always, it's merely my interpretation of the MVTG chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.